Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I'm going to take a social class, okay? Uh, this is for grade 5, block 1, evolution of humans. And lesson objective is that to understand the features of the human evolutionary process. Today we are going to study the different stages of the human evolutionary, okay? Here topic LP1, the age of humans. What is the aim? Can you read the aim?
To learn how modern humans evolved,
Evolve.
evolved from apes.
Yes, today we are going to learn how modern humans evolved from apes. According to the scientists, scientists believe that humans are evolved from the apes. Okay. Uh, Deepshika, can you read the keywords?
Evolution,
Yes.
ancestors, fossils, primates.
Yes. Do you understand the meaning of evolution?
No.
Evolution is the process by which living beings or any humans they are developed from earlier forms to the
Modern forms.
modern forms. Yes, how they develop year after year. Okay,
Like m-
from
from Paleolithic age to Neolithic
yes.
age.
So here
And
from
from Neolithic age to Mesolithic age.
no Mesolithic to Neolithic. First is Paleolithic, then Mesolithic, then after Mesolithic, Neolithic. So like that, it's developed year after year through the age. Okay, so that is called evolution. Then ancestors. What do you understand by the meaning of ancestors?
Ancestors means who lived before a long year back.
Yes, they are our forefathers or fathers, grandparents,
Fathers,
and
mothers,
they are
mothers, and continue like that.
so they are co-ancestors. They
But
are
have
our.
you ever known your ancestor?
I know only till my grandparents. After that, they are grandparents, right? But we don't know before they have died long back ago, isn't it? Fossils. What do you understand by the meaning of fossils?
Fossils means like if dinosaurs died means like the
Remains
piece
of.
of bones.
Yes, very good. Good. Clap for Alina. Fossils, which are the remains of humans like bones, teeth, skulls. Okay, that is called fossils. What are primates? Primates is nothing but the group of animals. Okay, they are like they are includes chimpanzee, monkey. They are known as the primates. Okay, here is the keep ready with your the notebook. Write down in your notebook. This is the word meaning of evolution. Evolution means the process by which human beings develop from earlier forms over many years to the modern humans, isn't it? That is called evolution. Ancestors means our forefathers or ancestors from whom we have ascended, like they're our first generation to next generation we have come now, right?
Yes.
Yes, primates. Primates is a group of animals that includes monkeys, chimpanzee, and human beings. Means that scientists believe that we human beings we are evolved from apes. That apes are like
Ma'am,
monkeys
I'm
or
having
chimpanzees.
doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
But now we are not humans evolving from humans. Ma'am. How they before did like that?
Actually, it's not true according to. If we believe in God, we believe that God only created humans, Adams and Eve, right? But according to the scientists have started that the skulls of the like early human beings or chimpanzees, and they have found some fossils. So they are similar to the humans, modern humans. So
Ma'am,
only
I don't believe.
yeah, they discover like that modern humans evolved from
So
the
is it true or not?
it's not true according to us because we believe in God and we know that God created
Then,
us, right?
yes. But
The fossils. But scientists, some scientists, they do not believe that God existed. There is God also. They have the scientists there. They think they do
Like
investigation.
they
Yes,
are the gods.
yes. So they find different things. So they believe naturally. They don't believe in God. Okay,
But if
fossils.
they believe in God or not,
Some they didn't believe in God, so they believed like humans are evolved from these apes, this and that. By discovering the new things, they will say their own idea, thinking. Okay,
like
now
multiple perspectives.
yes, yes, they will give different thoughts and opinions. Yes. Now fossils. Fossils are the remains of plants and animals that lived long ago, such as cells or bones of living things. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is the human evolution. Like, according to the scientists, like first stage is like a chimpanzee or monkey, right? It looks like monkey. And at that, in the first stage, these apes cannot walk on 2 feet. They use both hands and legs to walk. Okay, then in the second stage, he can slowly his this backbone has become straighter, and he can stand little bit, right? Then in the third stage, he can more stand straight, and he started to use tools that is made of wooden. This is a wooden tools. Then in the fourth stage, and they according to the stage, they have lost their body hair also. Before first stage, they have thick hair like a animal only, right? Not to, and slowly they have changes that they have lost their body hairs, and they can also walk straight. And here in stage 4, they use better tools, right? And here it's formed as a modern humans. Here you can walk very straightly, and body hair also very less, and it is more similar to us, to our modern humans, isn't it? Yes. So this is how the scientists believe that human evolution from the apes. Okay. Next, see this. What scientists they use means they study the fossils, the remains of the human beings from the early stages. So, at first stages, their scar will be like like this. In the second stage and the next stage, see they have seen the differences according to the ages. Okay, difference in the skull also, and some. See, here also different, here different, and here this skulls is more similar to the human. So they have observed that humans are evolved from the chimpanzee or apes. Okay, by studying the fossils, different stages of process of the fossils, how they have developed. Okay. See, at first we can see that if the scientists found this skull, then they will think or they will give idea maybe early humans looks like this by observing the skulls. Okay, how they look, he must. So they will think these skulls may belong to this, like monkeys, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, but the skulls also it will changes through the age, isn't it? Through the
Yes.
stage of the human evolution. See, skulls of ape is like that before, but this is a skull of modern human. So they used to compare how it's different before and the next generation
It's
how.
very different, but how?
Yes,
It's very different, but how can they prove that
this
this
is
ape?
suppose this is the stage one. Then stage two skulls will be again little bit more different, but this is really very different from the modern humans, right? But there is this different stage, right? Stage one, stage two. First one they cannot work with uh, 2 lakhs, but in the second stage they can work on 2 feet, isn't it? So it's slowly they have developed, and their skulls also become different from the first stage to second stage, third stage, fourth stage, fifth stage, and the modern humans, isn't it? Yes. So they have studied from the remains of the human beings or animals. Okay. Now, do you see any similarity between apes and modern humans? This is the apes. What is the similarity? Can you find?
No.
In something,
Yes.
something is
They
similar.
both are walking in 2 feet.
Yes, that's a similar, and both have two legs and two hands, and both are walking, right?
Yes.
Humans also we walk on 2 feet, and apes also walk on 2 feet. So this is the similar, isn't it? But the difference is that they have more hairs, body hair, thick body hairs, and they cannot talk like our modern humans, and they don't wear clothes, right? Shoes. But at that time, in the first stage, they don't wear anything. But the third stage, they started to use some tools, and they start hunting animals. Then their brain also develop. Okay, they can think like humans. So they started to wear animal skins as clothes, isn't it? Yes. So they are developing year after year. Now, here, write down in your notebook similarities between apes and modern humans. This is the similarity. Both have similar features, means similar structure. Like they have two legs, two hands, and they have also a face also like similar. Like they have two eyes, one nose. So it's similar to the humans, isn't it? They can stand. So both have two arms, two legs, and they also eat fruits and plants. And we also eat fruits and some
Ma'am.
edible plants, leaves, green
Ma'am,
leaves.
are we
Yes.
going to plant? See, they eat fruit, some grass. No, will we eat that grass?
No, we eat some edible like green leaves that also we get from the
Like
gardens. Yes, yes. So it also can call as plants, small plants, right? Some like uh, like beans, it can call as a plants, right? Yes. See, this is the modern how they have evolved from the apes. First is they work on two legs and two arms, isn't it? Then they can stand little bit. And here they have become more straighter. And here they started using, here also they use tools, but that is just rough and big tools, not having handle also, isn't it? Then the next stage, they have started to wear the animal skin trays or bark of trees, or they have covered with the large leaves, isn't it? Then here their clothes also better, and tool also better than the previous stage, isn't it? Then here the modern humans, what we wear, shirts, pants, shoes, and we also use modern technologies, computer, laptops, many things, isn't it? Yes. This is how scientists have studied that they have observed some chimpanzees skeletons, and these are the early humans body and skeleton, and this is the modern human skeleton. So how they have the skeletons have changes through ages. Okay, so they have found there some similarity between the modern humans, early humans, and chimpanzee. Only for that, the scientists has discovered, or they think that the humans are evolved from the chimpanzee because some similarities are found, isn't it? Yes. Now, I read the text from the Age of Humans from the XSEED Content book. Okay, and then when you read, you have to find the answer to the question given below. Like, what helps scientists learn about the changes that took place in humans over many years? Okay, find out this answer, and who were primates? Who were the ancestors of humans? What did they look like? This one, Age of Humans.
The age of humans. Many historical sources suggest that modern humans evolved on Earth around 20 million years
2
ago.
million.
2 million years ago. Fossils, which are the remains of humans like bones, teeth, and skulls tell us how humans evolved.
Yes.
Using these fossils, scientists could study change that took place in humans over many years. These changes made up the different stages of human evolution. It is because of human evolution that we are able to walk on 2 feet. Based on scientific studies, it was discovered that humans evolved from a group of animals called primates. Primates were the first group of animals that had features such as a large brain, more flexible hands and legs with nails
Nails.
on their fingers.
Yes.
Humans first evolved in the continent of Africa. Our human ancestors look like apes. This is because apes are ancestors.
Humans.
Humans evolved from the same primates. Our human ancestors had a huge body. They lived in the forest and mostly ate fruits, plants, and leaves.
Okay. Now, where the first humans evolved in which continent?
Africa.
Yes, first humans evolved in the continent of Africa, and our humans ancestors are look like apes. This is because the apes and humans evolved from the same primates means the group of animals that include chimpanzee and monkeys. So apes also from the monkeys, and humans also evolved from the apes, like that the scientist has discovered, isn't it? Yes. Now, do you find the answer for this? I'll ask, what helps scientists learn about the changes that took place in humans over many years? What they use?
Scientists used fossils, which are the remains of humans, such as bones, teeth, and skulls, to learn about the changes that took place in humans over many years ago.
Yes, that is the what scientists use, how they learn the changes of the humans. They use the fossils. Fossil means the remains of the bones, teeth of the human beings that lived long ago, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so they study from the fossils that take place during the early period. Okay. Now, who were primates? Do you understand who were primates?
Primates were the first group of animals that had features such as a large brain, more flexible hands and legs with nails on the fingers.
Yes, primates were the first group of animals, and that animals are includes like monkeys and chimpanzees. And the scientists believe that we humans evolved from the apes. Okay, and then who were the ancestors of humans? According to the scientists, who is our ancestor?
Our human ancestors look like apes.
Yes,
This is because apes and humans evolved from the
same
same primate
primates. Yes,
animals.
yes. So our ancestors are look like
Apes.
apes. So they consider our ancestors are apes, and we are evolved from the apes. Okay. Yes, that is the correct answer. Now here stage is one, and this is the characteristics features like how the humans they live earlier and how they look like. Okay, in the stage is one, humans look more like apes, isn't it? I have shown you the picture. They in the stage one they look like more monkey, right, or chimpanzee. Okay, they are the group of first group of animals. Then second stage, their backbone becomes steadier. In second stage, they can walk on 2 feet, but their backbone is bent forward, not straight. Then the third stage, they started using tools. They also started to use these rough, big stones as tools, okay, to hunt animals or to peel off the fruits, okay. In the fourth stage, they started using better tools. See, through the ages, the tools also develop. Okay, they serve the stones and they make different shapes, more suffer, smaller, and more effective for hunting and digging the ground or filling of the fruits. Okay. Now in the fourth stage, they had larger brains. If fifth stage, they have also developed their brains to think like humans. Okay, they started to wear. They discovered a fire also, and they started to cook and eat. And they also started to wear not clothes, animal skin to cover their body, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, and slowly, it has led to the modern humans, according to the scientists. Okay, now we are coming for the discussion. How do you know humans evolve or change over time?
Modern humans evolved many years ago. We know this by studying the fossils of the previous ages of evolution.
Yes, how we come to know means that scientists have studied the fossils that the remains of the early humans, like such as bones, teeth, and their skulls. So we come to know how humans evolve or changes over time, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, good. Next question I'll ask to Arlena. What were some features of human beings in each stage of evolution, like stage one?
Some of the features in such age are our ancestors walked on all fours, and as they evolved, their backs started straightening up, straightening up.
Yes, some of the human beings in in first stage they walk on four legs. It means two arms, two legs. They cannot walk on 2 feet, isn't it? In the second stage, they started to walk on 2 feet, and third stage they started using tools. In the fourth stage, they use better tools, isn't it? And the fifth stage, they develop their brain. Their brain become larger, right? Yes, this is the some features of human beings in each stage of evolution. Now, I ask question to Dipshika. What were some similarity among all the stages of evolution?
Some common features between all the stages of evolution are that these special had flexible humans like hands and feet, good eyesight and strong teeth.
Yes, this is the similarity among all the stages of evolution. Everyone has two hands, two legs, and they also have eyesight, and they have also strong teeth, and they have flexible hand. They can also move. If you see, look at a monkey now also, they can also pick up anything with their hands like a humans, right? But they work on both on hands and legs, isn't it? Have you ever seen the monkey?
Yes.
Yeah, but their hands are very flexible. They can catch here and there. They can take away your things also with their hands, isn't it?
Ah, yes, once I
Yes.
went to a wonderful of monkey. They snatched a bag of.
Yes, but other animals, other than monkeys like dogs, they cannot take anything with their hands, right? But monkey is more similar to the humans. Their hands and legs are flexible. So only that scientists discover or they thought that humans are evolved from the apes. Okay, understood? Now we are coming for the activity. Are you ready for the game show?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's not a game, so it's a match the following. Okay, I will give you stage by stage. First, Arlina match the following with the stage one. How the humans they do during the stage one? Let's see. Yes, clap for Arlina. It's correct. Stage two. What would be the features of early humans? Dipshika. Yes, correct. Very good. Clap for Dipsika Ashanya. Stage 3. What they do? Yes, clap for Ashanya. Correct. Stage 5. Avlin. Stage 4. Let's see. Yes, correct. Clap for Avlin. Next, Marcia. Stage 5. Stage 5. They had larger brains. Yes. Clap for Marcia. Good job. Everyone got the right answer. Now we are coming for the worksheet. Now is the worksheet time. Okay, now I'll explain what you have to do. Question number one, write any one similarity between apes and humans. What is their similarity, apes and humans?
The similarities between apes and humans that some common features about them in the stage of evolution are that they had flexible hands and feet and good eyesight and strong teeth.
Yes, this is a similarity between apes and humans. Both have two hands, two legs, and it's flexible. We can catch and we can walk, and also we have good eyesight, and also they also have teeth. We also have a strong teeth, isn't it? And we also eat fruits and plants, and they also eat the fruits and plants. Okay. Now look at the feature of humans in different stages of evolution. Number the features from 1 to 5. Okay, you have to order which in the correct sequence, starting from the oldest early human. Look at the feature, which would be the first stage. Yes, this one only the first stage that.
One.
Yes, number
Two.
2. Yes, number 2.
Number three.
Number 3 will be this one.
No.
This one using this stick.
Yes.
Yes. So his tools will be better too. Yeah.
Four.
This one will
Five.
be 5. Okay. So look at the first and last picture. In the above sequence, write the difference between these two stages of evolution. Means, which one is the first stage? This one.
I'm taking first one and last one.
Yes, you have to take the first one and last one. First stage is this one, right? The last one is this one, right? So, what is the difference?
The difference is that the he is fully bent down
Yes, fully bent backbone is bent
and
forward.
he can walk straight.
Yes, he can walk straight.
He had no. The first one had no pictures. The last one has better tools
Yeah, here no.
and large brains.
Yes, here no. She didn't use any tools, and he also walk on with both hands and the feet and cannot straight. And here he walks straight and he use better tools, and yeah, he have larger brain like a humans, isn't it? Write one similarity between all the features given below. See, what is the five of them? What is the similarity in between these 5 of them? What is the similarity? Yeah, in
They
all
all
of
they are all humans. No, they are evolved. They are in.
they all have flexible hands, legs, isn't it?
Yes, feet.
Yes.
Good eyesight and strong teeth.
Yes, they can walk, all of them can walk on feet, and they have also flexible hands. Understand? Complete the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, see you next class.